This is a 3-pack of disposable bachelorette party or bridal shower party tablecloths. I was sent a review from Tadomro, so let me show you a closer look. You've got 3 tablecloths in the one set. I'll go ahead and show you one. Here it is on my dining table. It has a darker pink seam running down the middle, so it's very easy to center it and have it looking perfect. It is so cute. Like, if you didn't look specifically at the designs, you would think, oh, it's a baby shower or like a Valentine's Day. But no, look carefully because you've got an engagement ring, you've got lovey-dovey hearts, and then you've got the other stuff, which makes it so very obviously a bachelorette party tablecloth. It is so hilarious, but also super cute, if that's even possible. It's just awesome. I love that it comes in a 3-pack. If we flip it over, you'll see that the design does come through, but it is single-sided. And it's a very thin, kind of one and done thing. You could reuse it if you're careful, but it's very thin plastic kind of material. Just really great. If you are throwing a bachelorette party or something along those lines, this is perfect.